Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Surfshark VPN and why it is a solid contender for the best VPN 2023. Now before we begin, if at any point you'd like to try Surfshark, you'll find the latest pricing, discounts, and reviews available in the description down below. Now, why do you need a VPN? Well, a virtual private network VPN is a tool that encrypts and secures your internet traffic by creating a secure and private connection between your device and the internet. And so I will be monitoring Surfshark's unique features and areas for improvement. So let's get started. First, let's phase out what sets Surfshark apart from other top VPNs in 2023. Well, I personally use Surfshark for Netflix because it allows me to access 29 different foreign libraries that are usually inaccessible, unlike NordVPN, which only grants access to 8 libraries. Now, do other streaming services work with Surfshark? Yes, you can access Hulu, HBO Max, and BBC iPlayer. However, it's worth noting that you might have to switch servers to access them. Now, you may be wondering, how many devices can you use Surfshark on? Well, Surfshark stands out in this aspect as you can use an unlimited number of simultaneous connections per subscription. So it's a great option for big households, or if you want to purchase a special router to secure your entire network, unlike ExpressVPN, which allows 5 devices to be connected, while NordVPN allows 6. Now, speed-wise, Surfshark does a great job monitoring a low ping. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that speed tests will vary depending on your connection speed, internet service provider, and the servers you're connecting to. And during my test, specifically using the WireGuard protocol, which is the best performing one, I noticed that the speed drops were not dropping below the 15 to 30% threshold for international servers, and between 10 to 25% with nearby servers, which is slightly slower than what Nord and Express offer. But considering its price, Surfshark performed well. Now, speaking of prices, Surfshark is known to be a lot cheaper than Nord and Express, even though they share lots of features like split tunneling, a kill switch, and operating RAM-only servers. And so it is considered a great budget-friendly option among the other premium VPNs. Additionally, Surfshark has the Clean Web tool as another useful feature that stops ads and potential harmful websites, eliminating the need for additional tools such as ad blockers. It offers specialty servers including multi-hop, which connects to 2 VPN servers in succession for added security, and static IP, which assigns the same IP address each time you connect to the server. And also, no borders mode is also available, which hides and redirects traffic in the event of a network inaccessibility. Additionally, Surfshark enjoys a fairly large network of over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, while Express has more than 3,000 servers in 94 countries, and NordVPN with more than 5,400 VPN servers in 60 countries. Now, is Surfshark still user-friendly? Well, the app is designed to be intuitive, so even if you're new to using VPNs, you should be able to navigate it easily. The interface is modern and well organized, and this appeals to all devices, including Linux systems, which now have a graphical user interface. However, there is still room for improvement, particularly in the iOS app, which leaks certain features such as a GPS spoofer to change location data, and a whitelist to add apps that bypass the VPN connection. However, it's worth noting that not all VPN providers offer these features. All in all, Surfshark has the potential to be the best VPN of 2023, as the app offers a wide range of advanced security features. However, there's always room for improvement. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in Surfshark VPN, you'll find links to pricing and discounts, as well as in-depth review in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or would like to stay up to date with our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to see you guys in our future videos.